Look at him and his feathers.
He looks a little miffed, not gonna lie.
Why are the feathers up? Why do they put the feathers up?
To attract mates.
There's no mates around here. He's the only peacock.
He's a big cat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I am Lexamatu, and right now we are in a scrapyard in the middle of Bicester. There is so much here, but anyway, yesterday we came here. However, I got heat stroke, so I had to go home early and couldn't film a video. But the main reason we are here is because we have found and are trying to salvage some bits from a JDM legend, which is the Honda Accord. Here she is. Now, yesterday the guys pulled apart the AC because our Honda Accord had the AC nicked out of it before it got sold to us. So Chris has come back for some lines.
Shit.
Do they not have the right one?
They are here.
They are here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one, this canister. And then it goes
this rad
all the way to the front on this side of the rad. Because I'm an idiot.
Brill. Whilst we're here, I'm also looking for a smaller washer bottle for the Mercedes, because the Mercedes one is massive, takes up so much room in the engine bay. But something like this might work. That one is super skinny.
And if you could help me out a sec, Lex.
Yeah, of course.
There's the 10mm down there.
Yeah.
If you could get that off without stripping it, that would be amazing.
Oh, this one down here.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Okay.
And I need that bolt, so.
No pressure. So we're just finishing taking off all of the AC parts that we need, and now we're just getting off the fan switch, because that is something we think has gone on Chris's, but I'm not sure. But this thing is pretty sad just being sat here. Apparently it was scrapped due to rust, which is not surprising.
Doesn't look too rusty.
This is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's not that bad. Obviously windscreen all smashed in. Not very
Companies
nice.
will write off anything these days though.
I know. The interior on this thing is really nice. I like it a lot. Obviously I love the Recaros, but this is sick in here. And with the sunroof as well. This thing's cool. What is this? This is some like Volkswagen thing. I don't know, man. Van. Mini. And she starts flowing. Is it green coolant in these? Oh yeah, of course it is, isn't it?
Shouldn't be.
No, I thought it was.
No, it's like a blue.
I thought it was the same as a Mercedes.
Nah, it's like a blue coolant. Oh, it might be different from the Type R to the non-Type R. I don't know.
She's drained, whatever she is.
Definitely reasonably drained.
Yep. There's an ambulance over there, like an ambulance car.
I can't get that off, so we're gonna have to just do that at home, I think.
Okay.
Also, even though I am putting pocket parts in my pocket, we are declaring that we bought these.
them, yeah. It's just storage.
We're not. Yeah, exactly.
We're gonna try and grab this valve cover if we can. We don't know how much it takes to get off. But why not strip an engine down whilst we're here? Okay.
What?
That's crazy.
Doesn't actually look...
Doesn't look that bad, does it?
That bad. I do. It does make me wonder what was actually wrong with this engine. We don't need this, do we?
No, we don't need that.
The rear bumper's just a little too much. Yeah, the boot opens. The tails don't look horrid, actually.
Not, but am I?
And this one's scuffed to shit, but... Yeah, because I was in there yesterday.
Nice. Just the plastic forks down there.
I know.
Dang.
Oh, do you know what? The interior is nice.
The interior is so nice. I'm loving the sunroof as well.
I kind of like this material. I'm like half tempted. But also these.
I like
the
this,
shiners.
like tortoiseshell wood.
Because we don't have ours shining, do we?
No. Are they shiny on all of them? Just be careful in the front because it's really got a lot of glass in there.
Oh, here is the ashtray.
Ooh.
But they've taken the bit that I actually need.
Oh.
Or it's come out somewhere, I don't know. Do you have the pry tool?
Yeah, I can grab it for you.
Cheers.
So yesterday when we were here, I think I saw like an E36. Is this an E36? Or am I just crazy?
What is that long block?
Yeah. BMW,
That's
but...
an inline 6.
Dang. She a race car.
Damn.
But like has been stripped.
Manual.
Dang.
Whatever it was. This is cool. Even the fuel pump's been taken, like they were not messing around.
No, not at all.
I've never seen one of these, a Dodge.
A Dodge truck. Civic.
The monster cans in
Where the
that.
engine gone? Yeah, this is a Civic. This is the gen of Civic that I don't like, personally.
Tiny engines.
Yeah. I don't like them, personally.
It's the more modern, the push to start though.
Ooh.
That's tempting.
What is this? What is this thing?
Smart car.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's crazy. She's so small. So it's got no rear seats. It's got
There's
nothing.
an FRV. Not a CRV. This is VTEC. No table. I think the table only
We should
came
look for
with
people's
CRV.
toolkits, see if there's any reversible screwdrivers in them.
Oh God, this is a family car. Look how bizarre.
Why
that
is the gear
interior
stick up
is.
there?
Yeah, that is bizarre.
That's crazy.
And then you go to the front and it'll be VTEC. Yeah, look. This is actually very similar to the Accords, you know. Honda. This would probably actually be a decent engine if someone wanted to.
Yeah.
If that
you
wasn't the
wanted
reason
to
of death. for
come
this
and
car.
grab this engine.
Yeah. I'm looking for something with CarPlay though. I'm looking for something.
Okay, I'm thinking BMWs would have a CarPlay.
That's what I'm kind of thinking as well.
There's one over
CarPlay's
here.
been taken out of that one. Or like a Pioneer or
Have you
something.
got CarPlay? No CarPlay. There's a push to start button, but no CarPlay. CarPlay? No.
Do you want a mini turbo?
No. Yes, I want a mini turbo. I'm on my way. Where's got the mini turbo? The mini? Oh, the baby turbo.
The Cooper works. Or is it just the
It's a Cooper S.
It's just a
Baby one.
Cooper S. It's got it had the British cluster that's broken, which they go for actually quite a lot of money, weirdly. You got a van with a blinking heck, that's a big van. Oh, my price already. I'm like, what do I need next? That's not got CarPlay.
No, there's like no radios here.
Although I imagine they take all
Radios
that
and a
out.
small washer bottle we're looking for. This is just has an abandoned vehicle thing on here. So it's just dumped.
Yeah.
I need a small washer bottle, but nobody seems to have any. Oh, there's that one. Oh no.
Oh,
there's
this
some-
one must have been hella modified.
Dang, it's got the chameleon tint.
Turbo
Shit.
under there. That would be a decent big turbo, actually. Not a massive one, but
It's got to have CarPlay.
auto.
CarPlay's better.
Did
It's been
have
taken
no.
out.
It's got a big unit down there.
Speakers in the back.
The fact that it's just
The interior on that. Wait, the cloth
Wild.
seats. What is that pattern? That's ultimate granddad mobile right there. The sunroof though kind of goes hard.
I feel like every stereo would have already been taken out.
Yeah, probably.
It's the smell of some of the old cars is just
I know.
bizarre. Little baby intercooler.
Baby one.
Turbo diesel.
Why is there just 12s up there?
Someone just found some 12s, you know? They just wanted a snack while in the junkyard.
Solid find.
What's this one? Is this one of those BMW things? Yeah.
No, I don't know what that is.
on Mercedes things. I don't know if I'll be successful in my mission, you know.
No, I don't know. I haven't seen any like decent sized washer bottles.
Or speakers.
Any good stuff. Literally no good stuff anywhere.
Paper speakers. Why does everywhere have paper speakers?
No idea. Every car has its own water feature.
What is this? Is this an old Alpha or something?
Oh, let me see. Yeah, I think that's an Alfa Romeo.
It's an MG actually.
Is it?
Someone's nicked the speakers. They've
Ooh.
taken everything out
The
of it.
Coke can in the intake. Washer bottle's still huge. Everyone's just taking everything.
You can tell that these are the more like, these have been hit ages.
Yeah.
So I think if we walk
Look,
the
there's
other
one over
way,
here too. There's like a... Yeah, this is another one of those MGs.
I feel like if we walk the other way, we'll probably find better because these have been here for ages, it looks like. Yeah, let's walk the other way.
Let's go the other way. See what we can find. But yeah, it's good that we managed to actually find the Accord and get the AC off, because a couple of days before we took a trip down here, we tried to get the AC gas. Turns out we don't have AC because someone took it out of the car. And then just by chance, we come here, there's an Accord with AC.
Imagine Vauxhall, this is a Nissan of some sort.
We need to find like a modified vehicle. Is there anything cool in that scrap pile up there?
That's not coming off, can't be bothered. Anything that doesn't just immediately pull off, that way.
No.
Ford Galaxy, surely this thing would have wham.
The wagon there. Oh, oh. Did the door handle just come off?
Yeah.
Oh, definitely had kids in here.
Yeah.
Sticker bombed.
Oh, this door's been crashed in.
Oh. No, nothing cool.
Oh, wow, that has been child sticker bombed, hasn't it? Bloody hell. There's a Mazda over there that might have something in there. I don't know.
Look at that old car. Is that an old Peugeot or Citroen or something?
Gangster spec Honda. Had a smoker in here.
That's a crazy gas cap. That's well cool.
These are...
Apparently these have Bose speakers in them, but...
Press X to doubt.
Yeah, literally. Someone's got washing pods up there.
It has something called EX. Maybe they are good, actually.
The silver trims on this though.
Oh, but I can't get that door open.
No. There's some speakers down there. Are they any good?
No.
No. Okay.
So are these Bose, are they?
Apparently so, but God knows what they are. So we've got the one speaker, Chris is going to get the other. Apparently these are just like an entry level speaker, so nothing too crazy. A pair of them sell for about £50 on Amazon, so we could probably sell them if we can't find anything to put them in.
Well, I was thinking the Accord, you know.
Oh yeah, to be fair.
Because the Accord's got one paper speaker, one dodgy old speaker.
Yeah, that is a shout.
So even though it might be entry level, it might sound a lot better than...
Yeah, it would sound a lot better than what's
the
in there.
gas cap on that CRV is sick.
I know, it's just a sticker though.
Is it?
Like it's just like stuck on.
Oh, that sucks.
I know. I was trying to search for it, see if it was like worth anything, but no.
Not that we're doing this for money.
Not that we're doing this for money, no. We're doing this for some cool finds. Stereo system's still in there, but nothing cool. Abundance of little trees in there. Hi. Oh, the door won't open. Nah. She fucked. Yeah, there's some crazy cars in that pile that are just like dead.
They're all the ones that would have been over in this pick apart and then no one used for a while. No one got parts off for a while and then they've just gone like...
There's a police car up there.
They've just gone, we need to now get rid of it.
It's kind of sad.
the door card has a rounded bolt, so I won't be able to get it off. So don't judge me breaking it. It was already messed up.
Now, why has everyone got these giant fuses? I've never seen anything like that in my life before. It's mental. And then these ones are pretty big too anyway. There's like 10s.
This door card was very broken already.
So over here there is this, is it a, what is it? Skim something? Is that a Nissan?
Is it a Nissan?
That's what I'm thinking.
Gimme. I don't know what it is. It looks Nissan-y, but
it does. I'm gonna take a picture and see what that is. But if anyone in the comments knows what that is, let us know.
Is that a PT Cruiser?
Is that a PT Cruiser up there?
A Chrysler? Basically a PT Cruiser.
It's crazy how they're all just like flat. Is that a semi-slick Yokohama?
Damn.
It looks fresh and
It
tiny.
Tiny, it looks like 16s.
Not even.
That's crazy.
So we managed to get everything for just £35. Yes. 4 speakers, AC lines, other little bits that we picked up. £35 for the lot. And when Chris came here yesterday and got the AC compressor and everything like that, normally they go for over £100 online. He got the whole lot for £40. Yes, we don't know if it works or not, but most likely it works. If the car was just scrapped due to rust, then it should be fine. But overall, I would say that that was a pretty successful 2-day mission.
Definitely. To
the scrapyard. And unfortunately, this scrapyard is only when we're visiting family, because we're down south. We normally live up north way.
We keep just adding things we need to do every single time.
I know, this is the problem. So
we
now
haven't actually finished any of our actual jobs.
Now every time we'll definitely come back here because this is crazy. Try not to run the peacocks over when you leave.
I don't know where they are.
No, neither, and it scares me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.